Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to downgrade from the iOS 23 beta to iOS 18. Installing the iOS 23 beta can be exciting, especially with all new features and design changes that Apple has introduced. However, beta software often comes with bugs and serious performance issues and app compatibilities that can disrupt your everyday use. So, if you have had second thoughts and want a more stable experience, downgrading to the latest public version of iOS 18 is your best bet. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, I will recommend you to check out some critical points. If you have made an archived backup of your iPhone or iPad before you install the iOS 23 beta, you will be able to remove the beta and restore the backup without any hassle at all. However, if you didn't make a backup, you can still downgrade, but you won't be able to restore your iPhone or iPad to its original state before you upgrade it. It's also worth pointing out that if you have installed watchOS 26 on your Apple Watch, you won't be able to use it with your iPhone once you have gone back to iOS 18. And be warned that downgrading an Apple Watch to a previous version of watchOS can't be done manually. If you want to remove watchOS beta from your Apple Watch, you will have to send your Apple Watch into Apple. So keep these important things in your mind before moving ahead. To get going, you have to launch Finder on your Mac or iTunes on your Windows PC. And then you have to connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a supported USB cable. And then you have to put your device into the recovery mode. On your iPad, you have to press and quickly release the volume up button. And then you have to press and quickly release the volume down button. And then you have to hold down the top button until your device begins to restart. Then you have to continue holding the top button until your device goes into the recovery mode. And on your iPhone 11 or later, you have to press and quickly release the volume up button. Then you have to press and quickly release the volume down button. Then you have to press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Now a dialog will pop up asking if you want to restore your device. Then you have to click on Restore to completely wipe your device and install the latest public release of iOS or iPadOS. After that, you have to wait while the restore process completes, and that's about it. Once you have followed these steps accurately, you can restore a backup of your device from iOS 18 or iPadOS 18 using your Mac or iCloud. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can securely downgrade from iOS 26 beta to iOS 18 without any hassle at all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next one.